Hi, welcome to the Computer Knowledge channel. As you all know, you can use virtual keyboard with your mouse very easily just by using this on-screen keyboard. But what if you don't have mouse, but you need to use mouse in an emergency situation? How can you use that? Then solution is here. Watch video till end to get know this very cool feature. I'm going to tell you this solution just using my keyboard, so you'll not face the problem in enabling this setting. We have to first open mouse key setting by pressing Windows button and then typing ease of access. Select the first option using arrow keys and hit enter. Now using down arrow key, go to this option and hit enter. Again using arrow keys, go to setup mouse keys. You can use tab button too for selecting options and then hit enter. Now using arrow or tab keys, go on this option and press spacebar to turn on this setting, and must remember this shortcut, it will help you in turning on or off mouse key setting. You can increase the pointer speed from here with arrow keys, as well as acceleration of pointer from here. Turn on this setting too. And here make it on. Using tab button, press apply and then OK. To turn on mouse keys use this shortcut, left alt plus left shift plus numlock. You will hear a beep. To check my settings are on or not, I will press any numeric key like 9 or 7. But first make sure that your numlock light is on. Now let me show you an example how you can use numeric pad as mouse. It is very easy. These numbers show directions like 2, 8, 4 and 6 for down, up, left and right respectively, and 7, 9, 1 and 3 for corners. And most important, number 5 used as mouse button. You can press minus sign once in keyboard. Now number 5 can be used as right click of mouse. To change it back and left click, press / key once. It can vary in different keyboards and systems. If you have any question, write down and comment. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video with some more interesting